Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then it just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into next week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $3.35. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.35, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 335, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Nothing very complicated or fancy here other than the fact that the majority of the price congestion right up there around $3.45. Yeah, I get it at one point that price slightly slipped up above there. But the point I'm trying to convey here is that the general price congestion area is very clearly right up around $3.45. So that'll be the main level to watch going into next week. But all in all, though, very, very nice movement today. Very nice volume. Going through a nice healthy consolidation at much higher lows. So we'll see if the bulls can resume with this upwards momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.